There's traffic on their way. They are coming. Please be patient. You can see our visitor has arrived in 7 days. You can see how good she's looking. She looks well. She's looking so gorgeous. Because she's fine now. You can even see her. She came with a visitor too. It's not her husband though, please.
Show my appreciation for what you did to me. Sometimes back, I came with a little gift to show that I really appreciate what you have done. And I brought someone to that is having similar problem.
You are welcome.
You can see that.
The gods have known you. You are welcome.
You can see consulting the oracle.
They are happy.
Thank you.
You accepted them. You are welcome, my daughter.
It's also talking the same line. I said there is life in my dream. Please, hear me. Thank you.
My son, you are welcome to the great Ocean. What brings you here?
Prosperity. Based with you.
Wealth, prosperity is of the Lord. I shall bless you. Shall be money, wealth, and authority. When you go back to your country, the white man land, you will use it. You will be rubbing it every day.
Okay.
And after 7 days, there will be so much wealth, authority, and prosperity.